Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to stop Chrome from blocking your downloads. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to open up your browser and log in with your account, of course. And now what you're going to do, the Brave browser is the same as Chrome. So the same settings, same everything, just follow through the steps and just do exactly what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click the update right here at the top right, the three bars, and you're going to see right here the settings. Just go ahead and move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the privacy and security, right? In the privacy and security, you're gonna see all the settings regarding your privacy, right? And you're gonna just go ahead to the security, or if you are using as a matter of fact, if you are using Google Chrome, you'll be able to see it right away from the privacy and security, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead and click the security right here if you're using Brave, and just go ahead see right here it is set to the standard protection, right? So what I'm gonna do, in order to proceed my downloads, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit no protection, and I'm gonna just turn it off and basically follow through, or continue downloading your file or whatever it might be from that website that doesn't allow you to download from your browser, right? And basically after you finish, make sure that you keep it or make it or turn it back to the standard protection. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.